Hi there. Victoria here, the Scrappy Crafter. So just a little while ago, I had a massive box delivered. It's huge. And I'm like, oh, I don't remember ordering anything that big. As the UPS man is approaching the door, I notice he's a new guy. And I'm like, ding dong. I'm getting deliveries from Prince Charming. Yeah. So thanks for that, universe. That was a special surprise, I guess. Very nice man. I was like, I don't remember ordering anything that big. And he's like, oh, I guess it's a surprise from the universe then. I was like, it certainly is. Anyway, so it's my batting. So I ordered, and this is the first time that I have allergies, and that's why my ears itch, because they're a little whatever from allergies. So, it's a craft room, so, you know, excuse the mess, but it's a craft room. Where's that thing that I just got from QuiltCon in my thing? Here we are. Dull people have organized crafts. Has organized sewing rooms. There you go. That's it. That's my new motto. Well, not really. Anyway, so I ordered wool for a couple quilts. This one, wait a minute. This is a cotton wool. This one. This one is, and I ordered from Super Batting Sale. I think that's the name of the place. BattingSupersale.com. I will put it in the description below, the link. A quilter while I was in Raleigh, Rebecca. Thank you very much, Rebecca. Shout out. She was awesome. She says, I get my batting from here. It's great. And I've been looking for wool. As you guys know, I watch a lot. I watch Tracy from the Sewing Channel, and I watch Di from Sister Chicks Quilting. And so, you know, they're always on about the wool batting, the wool batting. So, and I've asked them, where do I find it? Where do I get the wool batting? Because I have looked everywhere and haven't found it. So I got the information from QuiltCon, from Rebecca in North Carolina. Thank you very much. To go, and this is where she gets it from, BattingSupersale.com. They have the wool batting if you are looking for it. This one says, this is a queen size. There's the bows saying hello. I've never worked with wool before, so I'm pretty excited about it. I heard it's wonderful, but I thought this would be perfect for that, like, tumbling blocks quilt that I made for my niece last year. You know what it's like, you know. So I'm finally getting there, and I'm going to be working on that when I go to the Three Amigas Quilt Retreat, which, from what I understand, still has room. So check out Three Amigas Quilt Retreat. I'll put the link down below to help out the Three Amigas, which are Di from Sister Chicks Quilting, Tracy from the Sewing Channel, and April from April's Craft Room. I love all of them. They're fantastic, and I look forward to hanging out with them. Then I got this twin size cotton wool blend. And this is for another quilt, which I can't discuss right now. That's on the down low at the moment. And I ordered this bundle, and it came, I've already opened it, but it came in this big bag. So this bundle was like a sampler, is what they called it. And it right now, let me grab my paper. Right now, it's on sale, I think, for $19.99. Oh my God, I just crumpled it all up. Let me get the right one. Okay, glasses. Glasses would be helpful. So I'll tell you what I paid for what, for all of this stuff. Looks like everything was on sale. I may have gotten a discount. I'm not really sure. It doesn't say that there's discounts, but it does show that everything is, let's see where you can see. Woo, excuse me. Wow. That was a surprise. Yeah, you can see the prices there. Okay, so the cotton wool blend was for a twin was $35.95, down from $47.95. The queen size wool batting was $54.95, down from $78.95. The sample set, which is this batting sample set, which includes different samples of their batting, right? And it tells a little bit about them on, like, I got this little card too, which I'll go through in a minute. It was $22.95 marked down to $19.95. I also got a piece of fabric. I wanted to see what their fabric was like. They didn't have a whole lot, but they did have some backings there. They didn't have like a massive selection of fabric. This is not a fabric store, right? This is a batting store. So, but it is 108 inches wide, and it's the blended royal blue wide backing, marked down from $19.95 to $16.95. I didn't think that was bad, but I wanted to see what the fabric was like, and I'm going to tell you, I think it's very stiff. It's a beautiful color. I can see through it. It's a beautiful shade of blue. It's a little, you can see me behind it, right? Hello. So it's a little on the thin side. I only ordered a yard. They didn't offer it in like half yards, so I could get a sample of it. But it's, 108 inches. It's nice and wide. I'm hoping that it's gonna kind of soften up once I put the iron on it. We shall see. I'll keep you posted about that. It's just a sample. I mean, I got it as a sample. I'm going to use it on a quilt that I'm working on right now. I was hoping that the blue would kind of go in. Oh, there goes my hair, my little Muppet hair again. So, very nice handwritten note. Victoria, thanks so much at the bottom, which is very sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Lynn. And this is how it comes, big giant box. But I didn't think that that was bad. $127.80 for, the sample set was $20. $16.95 for 108 inch wide fabric is, I think, a really good price if the quality's there, right? So we'll get there. When I iron it, you know how fabric changes once you iron it. And I've never bought wool batting before, but it being, what, $12 off for the wool blend, and what's the other one? I have to do some math. I'm so bad at math. Oh, $24 off of the other one, off of the wool one. So, I don't really know prices for wool. So if you guys found a place that offers it cheaper, let me know, because I would, I'm all about sharing information and doing collaboration. So, to help my fellow artists. Yeah, give me a shout. Send me an email. Put a comment down in the comment section, actually, probably best, because I get those, I get notified right away if you comment down below. Also, while you're at it, hit that notification bell and like, share, and subscribe. That would really help my channel to grow. I'm really trying to get it to grow and do things. So let's get right into the sampler package. This is Made with Pride in USA. Quilter's Dream Batting. Quilts like a dream. Superbattingsale.com. There it is. There's the number. And I'll put the thing in there. So this talks about, this is a fusible, and it's very thin. It's really thin stuff. This stuff here is a little thicker. This is an 80-20. Oh, this looks weird. Oh, it's two pieces. Hmm. Oh, it's the bleached and unbleached. There we go. That's why there are two here. So that's cool. This is really nice that they do this. They send me the bleached and unbleached in this card so we could see what it's like, touch it, feel it. Oh, this must be polyester. What is this? Yeah. Oh, it says it's not. It's polyester. It's not polyester. What? Dream. Yeah, it's poly. It feels like it. You know, when you touch cotton, even with this having being a fusible, you could feel the difference. It's soft, it's silky, you know. What's this one? Engineer made from flame retardant fibers. It's pretty soft actually. What's this one? And then this one is 70-30 blend. It's a little thicker. Oops, sorry, I'm out of the thing. I gotta hold it up here. What else? This one doesn't feel great. Again, polyester. This one down here. This one feels okay, better. Oh, it's bamboo. So this one is the Dream Bamboo. See it? There it is, bamboo. Feels nice. It's not. It's kind of silky, but this polyester, no. Oh, here's, what is this, wool? This one says wool. The Dream Wool. The Dream Wool, yeah, it feels like wool. Like you could feel the individual fibers. And this wool, they say it's washable. You could throw it right in your wash. There's obviously wash instructions. You can dry it. It's already pre-shrunk. It's already been pre-washed, and I think bleached as well. The Dream Puff. What's this one? Light as a feather. Stitch up to 10 inches apart. Let's see what this one's made of. I don't want to rip it off here because they're stapled on. But the wool feels like it's going to be, look at that loft. Whoo, look at that. That's pretty puffy there. Yeah, they're pretty puffy. I'm used to dealing with cottons. I'm a hand quilter. If y'all are new and you don't know so much about me, I'm a hand quilter, so I like something that the needle, it doesn't catch on, it's not stringy or whatever, but because I've had a couple back surgeries, I'm having less feeling in my fingers now, so I'm going to try to transition into using my Juki for more machines, quilting free motion. So I'm hoping that Tracy will give me some little one-on-one tips while I'm there in April. And because I have no idea, I've never done it before. But look at this. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so this comes with one of those little, one of these jobbies to keep it all together, right? And each one is labeled. And this one says, Stitch in Time Elegant Blend 80-20 Poly. I got this thinking, in the description, I thought it was going to be 18-inch squares, but they're not. Let's see what size they are. Oh, this isn't. This is 8-inch. This is on my 9-inch. Get this right. On my 9-inch square, these are coming in right at 8 inches, give or take. It's puffy, so it's 8-inch. So this is 8-inch square, and then this is an 80-20 poly. I do use an 80-20 poly blend on I'm going to put you down just a smidge, just so you can